This hair care regimen is totally DIY that you can do at home to regrow your hair. You may have been stressed and your hair just started coming out, but it can regrow super fast with this easy vegan based hair restructurer. All right, I'm going to be showing you first off the water that I'm going to add MSM sulfur to it. Now MSM sulfur creates stronger keratin bonds on your hair. It literally coats your hair, so your hair will grow 3 times faster than if you naturally try to use herbs. So the herbs combined with the water that has MSM, you're definitely going to get great results. All right, and so I'm just showing you some of the herbs that I'm going to be using. Now this is ginger root, and I make sure that it's cleaned really well because this is going to be a leave-in. And also I'm just going ahead and clean my other vegetables for my detox water, which is going to be cucumber and lemon, because although your hair regimen is important, and this is mint leaves, although your hair regimen is important with what you're topically putting on your hair, what you're drinking, what you're eating is going to play a huge factor in that hair growth. And so ginger also has very healing properties, just like mint. And I'm going to be using mint, clover, rosemary, and with this ginger root right here, it also is an antifungal. So if you have anything like sorcerers, hopefully that's the correct term, but if you have like dandruff or itchiness, this will definitely help. And in addition to the water with MSM that I'm going to be drinking, I'm going to also show you how to do this easy blend of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, infused with these herbs. So what I like to do is heat it up for a while, make sure that I get it to a good boil. And I do this because I like for it to really infuse, because typically when I create this DIY oil, I will let it just infuse by a windowsill for a couple of days before I apply it. But since this is a fresh new batch and I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment as well, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I boil it really well, so that I can get a lot of the benefits opposed to waiting for it to really infuse. And so again, that was just Bertolli, not sponsored in anything, but maybe I will be one day. But I just use Bertolli EVOO, and I always try to use like a wooden spatula or tool when I'm mixing these, because I don't want any metals in this mixture. And I just allow it to sit there and boil. But I just want to share a little bit this in regard to my hair journey, because I'm also going to add a little bit of MSM powder to this. Now it recommends when you drink it to use 3 of the small scoops. I'm just going to use 2, infusing it with this olive oil as well. But as I mentioned about, like, okay, for instance, my hair was flourishing, but a lot of times when you're someone like myself, I enjoy different hairstyles. I realized that a lot of manipulation was affecting my hair. And so these are the herbs that I'm using to make up for all that manipulation I did in my hair. Now I'm having to replenish it with these herbs, but it definitely works. Mint leaves, ginger, cloves, rosemary. And so I just place all these inside, and I allow them to just really infuse. And I don't even take the stems off of the mint leaves. I leave the stems and all of that intact. I just let everything just infuse and marinate. But back to what I was saying in regard to allowing my hair to just really rest and regenerate, because sometimes if you're stressed, it really takes a toll on your hair. And adding that with a lot of manipulation styles, like I love braids and I've worn braids for many years, in particular mini micros, and I'm at this age now where I'm like, okay, although it's a beautiful style, I see that it's caused a lot of damage to my hair, in particular, sensitive areas like my edges. So I'm replenishing them once again, and I'm going to show you too. Now I'm adding this into a glass jar, little bowl actually, because I'm going to let this infuse further by the windowsill. This is a very powerful elixir, and I'm also going to show you how I'm just going to add this in preparation for my massage, my scalp massage.